Alright, now let's see how do you add an external library, that is an external jar, it's javadoc and source code into your Eclipse project. Well, ideally this should be done through a dependency management tools such as Maven or Gradle, but a valid use case here would be what if it's a third party proprietary library. So let's get started. Let's go to Maven Central, for example. Let's search the all popular Google Guava. Okay, let's go to all. Okay, so Google Guava comes with the jar. Let's download the jar, the javadoc, and even the source code. Okay, just download all the three over here. Now it's downloaded at downloads folder. Let me just move these to a convenient location. Let me create a folder here called external libraries. I'll call it external libs. Okay, paste here. Okay, now go to Eclipse. Right click on a project, choose properties, go to the Java build path, choose libraries and say add external jar. So go to the folder where you have your jars, it is external lib, choose Google Guava, say apply and close. Okay, now you see Guava is referenced to our project. So let's use this. Let's use the popular strings wrapper class boolean. I've declared a variable here called name. I've given it my name. Let's check if this name is null or empty. Let's give the variable name as is valid name is equal to, let's use Google Guava's strings helper class is null or empty pass name. Okay, let's just print this out. Say is valid name. Let's run this. It's obviously false here because I've hard coded. What if this value was coming from database? So that's one use case over here. Now let's see if the definition of strings class, it says when I move my mouse over here, it says there is no javadoc attached. Okay, when I move my mouse over to the Java's inbuilt class string, I get a ton of information about java.lang.string class, like it's basically a sequence of characters or it's a character string. Okay, and then there are other informations like these great people have built it. Okay, so how do you attach the Java doc that we downloaded for Guava? Click on Guava and go to properties, say Java doc location, choose, if you have already extracted it, choose this, but we are attaching a jar file, so choose the second option in the archive, browse to your location external libs, choose javadoc, say OK, apply. Now if you move on strings, it says yes, it gives us the information that it's a utility class and has got certain methods. Alright, if you even move your mouse over is null or empty method, it tells you what it does if it is null or empty. Okay, great. Now let's again go back to our string class, press Ctrl and hover over to string. It has this open declaration and open implementation. You can choose to open implementation and see what string class basically does. It's obviously an immutable class. It has existed since JDK version 1.0, and I mean that its implementation, the source code is basically open. But if you do the same with here and you say open implementation, nothing happens. It says the source is not attached. So let's attach the source code to Guava as well. So say properties, go to source code attachment, browse, not this one, choose the second one. We want an external location, external file, choose the sources, say OK, apply and close. Okay, now move your mouse over to strings and say open implementation. So it says what string does. I mean the entire source code is open. This is helpful if you have to look at the implementation. Same way you can, I mean any method or any class that it has, you can open those implementations and declarations. Alright, so this is how you attach external libraries in case you're not using Maven or Gradle as your build and dependency management tool. Alright, see you in the next video.